All right, Ben, how's it going? As promised, I'm giving you a demo of my app. Here it is. Reader, text to speech. One thing you'll notice is that whenever you first open the app, you're presented with the onboarding screen that shows Welcome to Reader. It says listen to any of your EPUB books, read out loud, no time limits, no pressure to pay ever. And this is the thing that I wanted from the beginning 3 weeks ago. This is why this app exists. So we'll just continue. It says choose your reading voice, preview each voice, and pick your favorite. You can change it anytime. It says you want an even more natural voice. Apple offers free, enhanced, and premium voices that you can download in settings. And it says show me how. You can open the settings app. Obviously, I can't do that here because I'm only working on the simulator, but you should be able to do that and go and download more premium sounding voices, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you're going to hear this, but I'm going to click play on Samantha.
Hello, I'm Samantha. This is how I sound when I read to you.
Not bad, not great, not bad. Premium and enhanced are going to be better. So we'll select Samantha for now. We'll continue. It says free to listen offline anywhere. So a lot of my competition, I wouldn't even call it my competition because these guys are in a class of their own. But a lot of the higher tier premium apps out there require you to upload your EPUB in its entirety to the internet, to their servers, so that they can convert the text into audio via AI and play it back to you, and you end up streaming it back down. So this doesn't require that. So this is better in that regard. No paywalls, ever. Every feature is available to everyone from day one. Nothing to unlock, nothing held back. Great. And this is so true. I'd love to hear from you. Questions, comments, or ideas for the app. It's built and supported by one person who reads every message. That's me. My email is nick@thefreereader.app, and you can definitely feel free to email me at any time. All right, start reading. All right, so we're done with the onboarding, and I don't have a book, so I just want to listen to a book. I want, as the developer, again, this is part of the onboarding experience, I want there to be something for the user to do like right away, like right when they're done with onboarding, and they can tap this book and they can listen to my little tutorial on how to use the app, which I think is pretty cool. And if I do say so myself, it was a very, very nice touch.
Hello, and welcome. You're already doing the main thing, listening. These words aren't a recording. There's no narrator and no studio. The app is turning this page into speech as it reads, right here on your device. Because the voice is built from the text, nearly everything is adjustable. The voice itself, the pace, and where you begin. This short guide will show...
All right, so I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit, but basically you can see down here, there's a panel where this looks a lot like if you listen to music or if you listen to podcasts. This little panel down here, this view, allows you to adjust, pause and play the app. It allows you to jump back 10 words or 10 seconds. I forget. You can jump forward 10 seconds or 10 words. I forget. And then also you can jump back and forth between chapters. You can click here to adjust the speed. You can click here to choose different voices. And also, this is something I really like. You can click on a paragraph and you can start playback from that paragraph.
These words aren't a recording. There's no narrator and no studio.
There's no narrator and no studio, Ben. So yeah, pretty cool. If you want to go to a different chapter, you can list the chapters. You can see what chapter you're on and how far through the chapter you are on. So this is the progress through this first chapter. And yeah, I can jump to this last chapter here. I can listen to it.
That's the whole guide. It comes down to 3 small steps. Bring a book, choose a voice, and press play. Keep this guide for reference, or remove it whenever you like. Press and hold it in your library, then choose remove from library. Thank you for listening. Now go find a good book, and let it read itself to you.
It wasn't supposed to say that. That is a bug. I thought I had fixed it. It's supposed to say it's supposed to say let it read itself to you, not read itself to you. We're gonna get fixed. We're gonna get that fixed. I promise, Ben. We're gonna get that fixed. That is not going to be an issue much longer because, like I said, I'm pretty sure I already had that fixed. Anyway, that is the app. I am throwing this on a test flight, and then as soon as possible, I am going to be uploading it so that you can use it. And then I can continue using it, and the world can use it, because I think the world needs this app, Ben. I think the world needs this app. So that is it. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later.